Hey team, it's Nick from Sanisha.com. Question for you. Whatever you're using for your digital marketing right now, is it ready or at least designed to completely leverage all the artificial intelligence tools that all the platforms, all the tools are gearing up for? You might not be using it right now, but very soon, if you don't use it, you'll start falling behind, because all the tools will be designed for it. Let me give you a specific example how deep-rooted and grass-rooted it is. You might have heard of IBM Watson. IBM actually buys companies that are data-rich, companies that specifically have good repository of reliable data that they can use for providing AI capabilities to their customers and clients. How does this apply to you in digital marketing? It's very grassrooted, to the point that even something as simple as a direct message in Twitter needs to be tracked, or should be tracked, so that the data collected from it can be used for predicting the behavior of your customers and clients at an individual level. Because based on how a customer of yours reacts, the interaction at the next step, or what would be the next best course of interaction with the customer, can be determined, can be predicted, if you have been collecting that data and then we're feeding it to the AI tools. The good news about this is that it's way more scalable and more predictable, consistent than a human being can be. So you potentially could not have a customer rep for every customer that is out there to follow up, to analyze their data, to predict their behavior. But using artificial intelligence, you are able to scale it to the point there that every customer and client of yours can actually be modeled, because you're just scaling up a bunch of code is what it is. So literally, sky is the limit in terms of how precise, how scalable it can become. And the only other good news is that it's not going to be something that only the big companies have access to. It's going to be available just about to everybody, so far as you know how to use it. So all the social media platforms, for example, are currently using it. But now even the tools that have been built around these platforms, like Tweepy, have started developing algorithms that are in alignment with the AI that's being used by the platform itself. So don't wait for everything to become perfect and for you to actually understand how AI is all going to work, set yourself up so that at least you're collecting all the data in the correct format. You are tracking every